To dive into this exploration of the difference between the normative and the narrative worldview, I think it's helpful to expose what I think is perhaps one of the most taken for granted assumptions in the world today, certainly in the Western world. And that's this idea that what's most important, what's most helpful is knowing the truth. The idea that we can establish, acquire, or know truths is something that seems to be operating on us and those around us quite extensively, taking for granted the idea that it's possible and only helpful to seek for and discover the truth.